Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today talking to you about a signature shaving soap that's available only at Razor Emporium. It is the King R Emporium shaving soap made by our friends down at Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements here in Phoenix, Arizona. So one of the things we wanted to do with this soap was bring something really classic, really different to the table than has ever been done before. We were able to source an original shaving stick that Gillette had produced back in the 1910s, 1920s time frame, and actually kind of use it and melt it down and extract from it some of the different notes and characteristics of the scent, and then put that into a modern, new shaving soap. So you can kind of have a blast from the past, something that is reminiscent of, the turn of the century, Victorian era, notes that you don't usually see in shaving soaps. It has a dark, kind of complex, spicy flavor, but it's very masculine, very traditional. Every time we've shown it to people here in the lobby, we always get a lot of compliments on it, and it's for sure one of our most popular selling shaving soaps. Some of the key notes are cedarwood, lemongrass, bergamot, and rosemary. The combination is something very unique, and we're really happy to have the product here. Obviously, as you can see with the packaging, we kind of did a reminiscent throwback to what you see on the Gillette blades and packaging from that time frame. With the green and kind of cursive-y look of the font, and instead of calling it King C Gillette, we thought we'd call it King R Emporium, like King Razor Emporium. And by no means am I a king, which is why my vanity had to make sure that we put a silly mustache on my face. But definitely, I wanted to make everyone know that this is based off of an original Gillette formula, and that it was something very unique. We do have a matching aftershave with it. It's kind of like a cologne, tonic kind of splash. They pair together obviously very well, and I think you'll be extremely happy with the shave performance of this soap. It's the exact same shaving base as all of the other Phoenix Artisan Accoutrement soaps, so it's going to lather up really nicely and provide the slickness and comfort you need for an awesome shaving experience. We're going to now show you some of this lathering ability over here. Happen to have another sample of the product, a little water and shaving soap. Lather that right up. One of my favorite characteristics of all the Phoenix Artisan products is how quickly and easily they make a lather. Let me actually transfer this to this bowl here. I think I'd have a little better success. It's looking pretty good. Now I have a dry face, but I'm gonna go for it. Put a little bit of water on it. I've used this product a lot at home, and I can honestly say it very easy lathering. Very thick, very cushy, very creamy. And I'm not even agitating, the product too much, and completely dry skin for the most part, and you can see how easily it made a lather. If I kept on working at this, or if I had just got done completing a shower beforehand or a hot towel, I can tell you how much more voluptuous it actually gets. So check it out, King R Emporium, signature scent, only available here at Razor Emporium. Thanks so much for watching.